Good day, everyone. I'm Disney Cabison-Carlos, and this is part 3 of Module 1 Science, Technology, and Education. In this report, I will try to define education, science, and technology, to discuss the similarities and differences of science and technology, and to discuss the applications of science and technology in education. First, let us define education. In our main reference, Westergaard mentions that education is defined differently by different authors. And one of the most concise definitions that I found online describes education as the total process of human learning by which knowledge is imparted, faculties are trained, and different skills are developed. And if education is a cumulative process of the development of intellectual abilities, skills, and attitudes, then education must be a lifelong process. How then do we define science? This is the definition of science in our reference, Technology in Distance Education. It's a dynamic, cumulative system of verifiable concepts, principles, methods, laws, theories, and practices which seek to describe, understand, and predict natural phenomenon. In other words, it's a systematic study of the structure and behavior of the physical and natural world through observation and experiment. The core concepts to science are having a curious mind that asks questions through inquiry, seeks solution through research and experimentation, such that new knowledge is gained, and this knowledge is usually published in a scientific paper. On the other hand, technology is defined as the application of scientific knowledge for practical purposes. The core concepts in technology are innovation and the use of tools and systems that make life easier, such that a new product or a process are usually seen as the end result. Other terms that were repeated multiple times in our module are operative technology. These are the technology that are implemented and utilized. Advanced technology, these are the new, modern, and sophisticated technology that have promising use. And appropriate technology, which is defined as a tool or practice that is usually the simplest and most benign solution to a problem. Now, what are their similarities? Education, science, and technology, all three are knowledge-centered. They focus on the creation, dissemination, and application of knowledge. They also focus on continuous improvement. Science and technology drive innovation, while education adapts to these innovations to improve learning outcomes. They also focus on problem solving. Science solves problems through inquiry, and technology provides tools to solve practical problems. And education gives the individual the knowledge to solve challenges. Likewise, all three fields require collaboration between experts in different disciplines. Now, for their differences, science focuses on understanding why things happen or knowledge creation. On the other hand, technology focuses on how things can be applied to solve problems or innovation and practical use. Putting them together gives us a continuous cycle where education uses both science and technology in the process of delivering knowledge. Science creates the foundation of knowledge, while technology delivers the tools and methods for teaching. So, in real life, a scholar studies science, a professor teaches science, a scientist is engaged in generating new knowledge through research, a technologist, through experimental research and development, designs a product with the help of an engineer who makes the technology operational, and an educational technologist uses technology to support learning processes. How do we apply science in education? Science focuses more on shaping educational content and methods through research and theories. So think about learning pedagogies and learning psychology. Scientific research helps improve teaching methods and learning environments. Inquiry-based learning also helps the development of critical thinking and problem-solving skills in students. On the other hand, technology focuses more on delivering content and enhancing engagement. The most obvious applications are the use of digital tools, learning platforms, and online learning systems. They serve to deliver content and as a venue for education. However, it goes beyond those. Adaptive learning technology and AI tutors are now capable of personalizing learning for each student. The use of videos, simulations, and augmented reality enhance learning experiences, and collaborative learning tools allow students and teachers to collaborate in real time. To facilitate our discussion, here are some questions to think about. In your opinion, what role does technology play in addressing educational inequality in the Philippines? And obviously, technology makes life more comfortable. How can we use technology to enhance critical thinking skills in students? Let me know your thoughts. To summarize, we have defined, discussed science, technology, and education as well as their practical applications. Science, technology, and education are interconnected fields with unique but complementary roles. There are differences in their focus, but they share the common ground of improving human understanding and problem solving. The integration of science and technology will continue to transform education, making it more accessible, personalized, and effective. So hold on to your seats and listen to our groupmate Sir June as he tries to define what educational technology is. Thank you very much for listening, and I look forward to reading your response to the questions. Have a good day. These are the references used for this report.